guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. On this channel we are on the journey for longer, thicker and healthier relaxed hair. So if you are new here, welcome guys, and if you are already a part of our hair care community, welcome back.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts.
So anyway guys, we are on the journey for 20,000 subscribers. We are currently at 16,000 and we are working on 20,000. All right, you know what, I feel like when I come on camera I tend to talk a lot, so we're just going to jump right into the video. In today's video I am going to share with you guys a few tips that I personally follow and definitely have been a game changer on my hair care journey, and I would just love to share it with you guys. So if you're already doing any of these tips that I will be throwing out there, good job. And if you haven't, maybe you should give it a try. So if you're on a hair care journey, a healthy hair care journey, these are tips that I personally go by. I think they're like law in hair care journey book. Like when you're going on a healthy hair care journey, I feel like these are law written in books that you have to follow or you need to follow, or if you're not following, you should start following. All right, because I personally use them and I'm consistent with them, and I definitely see results. Okay, so I'm just going to share them with you guys today. So the first tip that I will throw out there is concentrate the shampoo on your scalp on wash days. Like, you want to make sure you clean your scalp. You want to make sure you get out all that buildup, because those buildup can block your hair follicles, and like that affect growth and the health of your hair. Because remember, our hair comes from the scalp, and if we are taking care of our scalp, then we will more likely to have healthier hair. Like, you know what I'm saying? So we have to make sure we take care of our scalp. So you focus the shampoo on your scalp to make sure you get out all that dirt, all that buildup, clean your ear follicles, and just like, you know, have your scalp squeaky clean. And then you can like run down, like you can use the rest of salt that's there, just run it down on the length of your hair, because you only have a few products on the length of your hair. So you kind of like, the scalp is where all the buildup is at. That the scalp is where the hair grow from. So we got to make sure we take care of our scalp. So we have to focus the shampoo on our scalp, and also always remember to use a moisturizing shampoo. If you have a lot of buildup, you may want to go in with a clarifying shampoo first, and then you follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. So you don't want to like just use a clarifying shampoo and do not follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, because you need to add back those moisture that the clarifying shampoo is already stripping your hair off. Okay, so make sure you have the right shampoo. If you're on a hair care journey, you do have shampoo that actually works for your hair type that you have been using and you have been seeing results from, that doesn't strip your hair of its natural moisture and stuff like that. So continue using the shampoo that works for you, but just focus it on your scalp mainly. Make sure those scalps are squeaky clean. All right, so the next one I will throw out there is use deep conditioner after every shampoo. Guys, I cannot dwell on this enough. Some people wash their hair and literally do not use any deep conditioner, and then we're wondering why our hair is breaking, why is it shedding, why we're not seeing results. That's where we're going to get all the nutrients from that our ear needs, is from the deep conditioner. It could be DIY deep conditioners. I'm like a big, huge fan of DIYs conditioners, because I feel like they're way more effective on my hair, because I mainly use DIY conditioners, and they're like, I always see results. I always get good results. My hair loves it. You can try it if you if you never tried DIY deep conditioners. You can definitely try it. There's a few recipes on my channel. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll put a few of them in my description below, so you guys can go ahead and try them if you're interested. But please remember, after every single wash day, always follow up with a deep conditioning treatment. Let me repeat that again for the people in the back. After every shampoo, please follow up with a deep conditioner, because remember, the shampoo strip our hair from its natural moisture, and we need a deep conditioner to add back moisture and strength as well. So please, I am begging you, do not wash your hair with shampoo and step out of the shower and say you're finished washing your hair. Always follow up with a deep conditioning treatment. That's a must. So the next tip that I will give, after finish washing your hair, shampoo, deep conditioning treatment, and you're out of the shower, always follow up with a leave-in conditioner. It could be cream based, it could be like liquidy, whatever works for your hair type. Personally, works on my hair type is the liquid leave-in conditioner. I will use the Cream of Nature. I will use the Mizani 2025 Miracle leave-in conditioner, or there's another one called 10 Miracle or something like that. But my go-to is the Mizani 2025 Miracle leave conditioner and the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. Those are my two go-to leave-in conditioners, and these leaves my hair very, very soft, easier to detangle after wash day. So that's gonna add in like any moisture, like let your hair easier to detangle, any nutrients that your hair may lack or that it didn't get while you were washing. So always follow up with a leave-in conditioner after every wash as well. So the next tip that I will give is to always finger detangle your hair before using a comb. So after you shampoo your hair, condition your hair, add your leave-in conditioner, before you put any comb or brush in your hair, try to finger detangle your hair first to try to remove as much knots or tangles that may in your hair that the comb will actually break. You know, your finger is like a little more, it will like go through the knots a little more gentler. So you just want to make sure you use your fingers to kind of take out any little knots you may see, and kind of like just trying to like slowly like gently remove them instead of using a comb, and the comb is going to literally rip through them, and we don't want that. That's going to cause unnecessary breakage, and we're on our hair care journey. We don't want unnecessary breakage, so we're going to try to minimize unnecessary breakage as best as possible. All right guys, so always finger detangle your hair before using any comb or brush. So the next tip that I follow is try to minimize the amount of direct heat you use on your hair. For example, flat irons. Instead of using flat irons, use some flexi rods. Use some other heatless curling stuff that's going to give you that look that you want, the flat iron wave or whatever the flat iron does. Try not to use flat iron. Try your very best. If you wash your hair, try to roller set it. I don't know how to do roller set, so I just blow it out and leave it as it is, because I cannot roller set my hair. So when I do need a roller set finish, I will go to the salon and they will get it nice and whatever, and I'll get that roller set finish that I'm looking for. But if I'm washing my hair at home, I just blow it out and style it. I do not use any direct heat. So try to minimize as much direct heat as possible. Those curling irons, those flat irons, those magic wand, although anything, any tool that's style your hair and you have to plug it in, try to minimize the usage of it. Try your very best. I like blow drying. I honestly don't feel like it's like direct heat damaging to your hair, because I blow dry my hair a lot and I might still have good results. And my hair, this is just pure blow dry and then style, and I didn't use any heat whatsoever to get these curls. And if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look with no heat whatsoever, just blow out and style, comment down below, let me know, and I will give you guys a tutorial. All right, now that being said, let's jump on to the other tip. Use a effective growth oil on your scalp 3 to 4 times a week and gently using your finger to massage it into your scalp. Okay guys, listen when I tell you this. Growth oil is what helped me tremendously on my hair care journey. Like your scalp, just as how we need food to survive, our scalp literally needs food to survive. And the food for your scalp is oil, growth oils. So you want to find a very effective growth oil. For me, it's my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil, and also my onion growth oil. Those 2 oils, that's all I've been using on my scalp, my 2 oils. And since I have my setback, those are the only 2 oils I've been using on my scalp. And trust me, baby, but I mainly use the aloe vera and rosemary growth oil because the onion oil tends to be a little stronger and I don't really like the scent of onion, to be honest with you. So I mostly use the aloe vera and rosemary growth oil, and my hair loves it. Okay, so we need to make sure our scalp is not dry and flaky and itchy and dirty and all those yucky stuff. We want to make sure we're taking care of our scalp. So after the shampoo, the deep conditioning, the leave-in conditioner, you want to make sure you oil in your scalp. You want to make sure you moisturize, it's hydrate, it's full of nourishment. You want to make sure you nourish your scalp, and doing that you need to oil your scalp 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, I'll recommend 3 to 4 times a week to make sure your scalp does not get hungry. Because once your scalp gets hungry, it's going to start eating itself. That was a joke. But anyways, guys, remember to oil your scalp and use your fingertips, like right here, to massage gently in circular motion to massage your scalp, because massaging your scalp help with blood flow, and good blood flow will promote healthy hair growth. Okay, so if your blood flow in your scalp is doing what it's supposed to, it's getting good circulation, it will definitely promote healthy hair growth. So we just want to do that and moisturize it in to make sure every single strand gets oil. All right, so make sure you're using your growth oil. Find an effective growth oil that your hair loves and stick to it. All right, you can try my DIYs oil. I have a bunch of videos on my channel where I teach you guys how to make DIY growth oils. You guys can check it out and try it at home, or you can support me by buying a bottle of my growth oil and see if your hair likes it. I'll put everything in the description below if you guys are interested to make an order, so you guys can check it out. And if it works for your hair, just stick to one oil, or if you're already using a growth oil that your hair loves, stick to it. All right, so that's my other tip. So the next tip is keep your hair moisturized. And in order to do that, you gotta find something that works for you. For me personally, keep my hair moisturized, I'll use my argan oil and moisturize the length of my hair. Sometimes I use the aloe vera and rosemary growth oil as well, depending on if I have like a roller set finish, I'll use the argan oil. If I have like a blowout finish like right now, I'll use my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil on the length of my hair as well as the scalp, and those oil keeps my hair very, very moisturized. And the only product that I use on my hair while it's dry, it's oil. No cream, no liquidy, nothing, just oils to keep my hair moisturized. Other people though needs cream based product or liquidy based product instead of oil to keep their hair moisturized. But me personally, this is what works for me, and I've been doing it for years on top of years throughout my entire hair care journey. I've been using oil as my moisturizer for my hair while it's dry. That's it. So you find what works for you, what your hair loves, and you do it and you stick to it. And in order to keep your hair moisturized after moisturizing it, in order to keep that moisture into your hair, you have to make sure you go to bed with a satin or silk scarf. You never go to sleep unless you are wearing a satin or silk scarf or bonnet, okay? Because if you go to your bed without that, then all that moisture that you put in your hair overnight the cotton pillowcase and sheet is gonna suck it out like a skeleton. Like a skeleton. Well, skeleton do get dry sometimes, but like a skeleton, it's gonna suck out every life out of your hair, and then your hair is gonna be dry and brittle and shedding and breaking. We don't want that. We're on a hair care journey, okay? So make sure you go to bed after moisturizing your hair. And I do not moisturize my hair every single night, so I would recommend that. I would recommend it to moisturize your hair as needed. Okay guys, so I think those are the tips that I'm going to give you guys for today. If you'd like a part 2, please comment down below and let me know, guys. I'll definitely make a part 2 for you guys if you're interested in knowing more things that I personally follow in order to achieve healthier, thicker, stronger, and longer relaxed hair. And these tips actually good for natural hair people as well. It's the same rules applies, okay? And these tips are in the law book of hair care journey. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and be a part of our hair care family. We are very friendly over here. We all have the same goals, and we all want longer, thicker, healthier, relaxed, or even natural hair. So if you haven't yet subscribed, I don't see the reason why you won't subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video, okay? So YouTube can recommend it to others. And if you know anybody that's trying to go on a hair care journey and doesn't know what to do with their hair or how to take care of it, please share my videos to them so they can get a few tips as well. And also guys, if you, as I said, if you are already doing these things, that's right, sister. But if you are not, it's not too late, okay? So make sure you take as much information from this video and bring it and put it in your hair care journey list of things to do, and be consistent. The key word on hair care journey is to be consistent. You cannot do something today and don't do it tomorrow, or do it this time and don't do it until next month, or the next 2 months, next 3 months. We have to be consistent. In order to see results, we need to be consistent. I'm dwelling on this consistent because you can't do something one time and expect a result. Hair care journey gonna take a while, so you have to be determined, dedicated, consistent, most importantly, okay? And actually like enjoy, like, in order for you to actually see, I feel like you have to love your hair and like want to do this, not just get up one day and say, she's doing it, he's doing it, they're doing it, so I'm doing it. No, you have to want to do it in order to see the result you're looking for, because I feel like your hair can feel how you feel about it. And if you're not feeling good about your hair, I feel like it's like you start seeing how you feel about your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like when I had my setback, I felt so bad about my hair, and I feel like after like a few months and I started loving my hair again and feeling like proud and feel amazing and just like take a lot of pride in my hair, I start seeing a better results. Like my hair can feel my vibe. You know what I'm saying? So if love your hair, and your hair will love you back. Alright, so anyway guys, I'm gonna stop talking now, so I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and like this video. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for being a part of this hair care journey with me. I cannot tell you guys how appreciative I am, how humble I am, how amazing you guys, when I see those views, those subscribers, those likes, those comments, how you guys make me feel. I feel amazing, and I just want to say thank you to everyone, to each and every one of you that ever like, ever comment, ever subscribe, and ever share this video. God bless you all. Bye guys.